How to connect Amazon to TikTok Shop. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about how you will be able to integrate and connect TikTok Shop together with Amazon, where we basically get products from Amazon that we will be selling into our TikTok Shop, just like a dropshipping business model. Now, Amazon has all kinds of products. It has all the products that you could possibly imagine, and you could just basically do a quick search and you will be able to find all kinds of things. They even have some helpful categorization to help you find the best item or the exact item that you're looking for. So let's say we want to look for a camera, there will be cameras on your screen as you can see here. So what we want to do for today's video is to be able to use our Amazon over here as a source of products that we will be able to sell inside of our TikTok shop. Now, to be able to do this, you would typically need to use third-party platforms because there is no direct integration or direct connection between Amazon and TikTok shop. And you can't directly inside of them be able to perform the dropshipping interaction unless you do them one by one or manually. So, anyway, the third party platform that I would be recommending that you guys use is called AutoDS. AutoDS is a very simple yet great platform, especially with importing products from one platform to another. And the platform that we will be demonstrating this to or talking about is TikTok Shop and Amazon. So first things first, we need to connect our AutoDS to our TikTok Shop. To be able to do this, we're going to be able to, we need to connect our store to our AutoDS by simply clicking on this TikTok Shop option. What it's going to ask us to do is to log in our TikTok Shop account into AutoDS. Now, this would require you to pay for a fine or for a plan. Now, the first month that you're using AutoDS, they have a really big discount wherein you only need to pay $1 so that you could try out the platform. And if you like the platform, you could go settle for a more long-term plan with AutoDS. But anyway, over here, I already have a plan with Shopify. So to save money and to save time, I'm just going to demonstrate the adding of products through Shopify over here, but it's going to be the same process with TikTok Shop. There isn't going to be much difference between whether I connected TikTok Shop or Shopify on my AutoDS since the process or the way it's featured work exactly the same. So over here, as you can see, in AutoDS, we have features such as Marketplace where you could look for products that you want to add to your store, and you have some print on demands as well, hand-picked products, ad spy, and trending products. Over here in Amazon, what I want us to first to do is to look for products that we want to purchase. So let's go with something unique. Powerlifting belt. Something like this. And as you can see, we will be able to see all kinds of belts that we have over here. And let's look and select for one that we like to use. So for example, this one. So we first need to select the product that you want to import into your store. What you're going to next do is you're going to copy the URL, go to AutoDS, and select the option Add Products. Over here in the Add Products, there are different categories. You have the single product if you want to import one product to one store. You could also import multiple products together, and there's also the handpicked product, AutoDS Finder, and untracked products. Let's go with the single product. Over here, simply paste the store that you want to import, or rather the product that you want to import. Over here, as you can see, it will be able to easily identify and understand that this product is going to be coming from Amazon. And you can even see where it is being shipped from. There are multiple platforms that you could actually ship from or get products from. As you can see here with this long list of product or platforms, you will be able to get products from all kinds of platforms out there. Anyway, you can either publish to store or edit now quick. Let's click on publish to store. Click here to track progress, and you will be able to see here on the top the progress in which it is getting the product. The way it works is that it is going to visit this platform and scrape it with with all of its information, such as the title, the pricing, the description over here, and even the images. It will be scraping those platforms. And let's check out over here if we were able to, or the current status. Let me delete the other stuff over here. It's still currently in progress, as you can see here, in progress. And you will be able to then see products just as like this one. This is an example of one that has successfully been imported, and you will be able to easily import it into your respective store. And in this case, we have it over here in Shopify, which is this product over here. It's going to behave exactly the same way with your TikTok shop, where if you click on manage products, it should also appear under your listings over here. Now, to give it time, as you can see, it's still processing. But if you want to upload, or if you want to sell multiple products at once, and because that's how usually selling things work, you're not really going to do it one by one, especially if you have a lot of chosen products. Adding it one by one is just extremely inefficient and a hassle. And of course, AutoDS thought of those things as well. Well, if you click on add products and multiple products over here, all you need to do now is to simply upload or paste all the URL links over here. Doesn't matter how many, as long as you put it all together, and you will be able to import all of them one by one. Over here, you could also upload through a CSV or even use AutoDS Finder over here. And also, you can see as well, we have our product over here. So what we can do now is we have our products over here. So we have successfully imported this or uploaded it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh our Shopify store. And there we go. It's going to appear under our Shopify listing, and we will be able to see the information, and we can even modify stuff over here, like modify the title, modify the pictures, all of those things, the categorization, all of those things. You will be able to do modification for them. But that's very simple, right? Very easy, very quick. Simply look for the product that you want to sell, paste it into your AutoDS, and it should be able to import it to your TikTok shop very easily, very quickly. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.